Hi, we're gonna make tofu and vegetable today. We have all kinds of vegetable like onions, mushroom. Those are the Chinese mushroom. You have to soak it overnight. It's dry, overnight to use them. And some red pepper, and zucchini. We use a yellow zucchini and a green zucchini. They are about the same but different colors. Okay. All right. Then now we're gonna pan fry the tofu first. After it heat up, they're pretty hot right now, so you put some oil in it. Then you put the tofu in it. All right. You take little time to kind of browning them. All you need is just browning them. We use a medium firm tofu. You can use a extra firm one, but not the soft one because they will break apart. So you check it, see they're brown, but they're not brown yet. So you need to show the brown color because otherwise it look better when it's more crispy in the outside. The tofu. Okay, we turn them over right now. So let's turn them over like that. Yeah, like that. Yeah, they're pretty sure. They're getting pretty dark. Yeah, you see they're good color right now. Okay, we're gonna pick them up. All right. Then after that, when we start cooking the vegetable, we put the gingers in it, and also the white onion, a teaspoon of garlic, and after that you're gonna put the zucchini in it, and the mushroom, or everything. Okay, then we're gonna put a little bit of white pepper in it, just like that. 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Couple tablespoon of cooking wine. Cooking sherry. 2 tablespoons. Teaspoon of sugar. And 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. We let it cook a little bit because you need to cook the mushroom and also the zucchini a little bit. You just keep browning them because you will cook through the vegetable. Make sure they're cooked through. Well, I think that's about done. So now we're gonna put the tofu in it. Okay. A little bit of chopped up onion, green onion. Okay, now it's ready to pick them up. Okay. Okay, this is tofu with vegetable.